Okay, Herb, this video is for you, and this is an MGTF engine for those that will watch this besides Herb. And I'm just testing this engine for Herb to find out if it will need any rebuilding, and in my opinion, it does not need a rebuild. The oil pressure at start was about 50, and that, of course, when the engine has been run for a while, maybe a little bit less, but I don't normally expect it to drop too much. And then when it was at a higher RPM, more like 3,000, 22 or 2,500 RPMs, it climbed to about 60, maybe close to 65. That too would fall off as the engine is run and gets warm. It did seem to run pretty well and responded well to the carburetors, and so I did a compression check, and the compression is very good across the 4 cylinders. Number 1 seemed to produce the best. It was about 162, maybe 164, somewhere in there, and then 2 was 157, 3 was 157, and 4 was 156. So, you know, that's pretty consistent across all 4 cylinders, and that would indicate that it is pretty healthy. So I'm going to run it for you for a few minutes, let you hear it run. It does not have an exhaust muffler, so it's a little loud, but everybody likes to hear their engine without a muffler. And but anyway, I'm pretty happy with the way it is, and so I don't recommend that we tear it apart anymore, and certainly not until it needs it someday. So I'll run it for a few minutes, and then I'll write up an evaluation for you, Herb. And so here you go. Okay, so I didn't want to run it any longer than that because I don't have any coolant in it, and any more than that it'll start to overheat. So we're going to write up an evaluation for you and send it to you and let you decide what you want to do with it. And so that concludes this video.